A 5-minute workout to get a flat stomach in just 1 month. Do you dream of rocking a six-pack? Or maybe just a flat stomach? 30 days is all it takes to see a drastic change in your body, and you can start now. These exercises deliver results whether you're a beginner or if the gym is your second home. They'll take only 5 minutes of your time, so you can squeeze them in any time of the day. Before we get started, remember to always do a quick warm-up before the exercise and a cool-down exercise or some stretching afterward so that you're not sore. And be sure to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications to be one of the first Brightsiders to watch our videos. Now, get ready to follow these 6 exercises as we tell you all about them. Number 6. Side planks with leg lift. Planks burn more calories than regular sit-ups or crunches because they require you to use more muscles. This exercise will work all the muscles in your core, so you can expect to see results in your abs, obliques, back, and hip muscles. Here's how to do it. Lie on a mat on your right side with your knees straight. Prop up your body on your right elbow and forearm. Your feet should be one on top of the other. Raise your hip until your body is in a straight line from shoulders to feet. Raise your left leg and then lower it. Now get ready to follow along. We'll set the clock for 30 seconds. Make sure you keep your core engaged. Don't twist your body as you raise your leg. If you're getting too tired, you can simply hold the side plank position for 10 seconds and then lower without lifting your leg. But keep going. We are almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 5. Pike and Extend. The Pike and Extend is a powerful abdominal exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, so you can say goodbye to plain old sit-ups. Here's what you need to do. Lie face up on a mat. Extend both legs over your hips. Crunch up so your hands are reaching toward your feet. Lower your upper body and bring your arms back overhead, and at the same time, lower only your right leg toward the floor. Lift your right leg again and use your upper body to crunch up to reach your toes. Make sure you follow the proper form. Remember that one leg should always be extended up. Press your back flat against the floor and make sure it isn't arched. Engage your core and legs. Don't let momentum do the work. We'll set the clock for 60 seconds. Continue to switch your legs and crunch. Don't stick your chin into your neck. Breathe in when your torso is down and release when you do the crunch. How's it going? You're probably feeling a burning sensation in your abs, but keep on going. Almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 4. Standing side crunch. This exercise is also known as standing obliques or the knee to elbow exercise. It's a nice alternative to a floor side crunch, and it's easier on your neck and lower back than regular crunches. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet spread comfortably. Put both hands behind your head. Bend at the waist and try to touch your right elbow to your right knee. Make sure you engage your core and crunch your abs as you do the movement. Return to the standing position. Repeat on the left side. Make sure you follow the proper form. Don't throw your body from side to side. Don't pull your head sideways. Don't bend forward at the spine. We'll set the clock for 60 seconds. To work on the obliques, those abdominal muscles to your side, you need to do this exercise in a slow and controlled fashion. If you wanted to work more on general cardio than your obliques, you can try to do this exercise more quickly while still engaging your core. Breathe in while you are standing and release your breath on the crunch. If you want to make this exercise more advanced, you can add a couple of light weights to the routine. Remember to adjust your position. Is your core still engaged? We're almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 3, hip raises. Getting a flat stomach is not all about the crunch in your abs. You also need to pay attention to what's happening in other parts of your body. This exercise might look easy at first glance, but some of the world's best trainers consider it one of the most important exercises to add to your routine. This exercise works your glutes, hamstrings, lower back, and abs. Here's what you need to do. Lie face up on a mat with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Extend your arms to your sides at a 45-degree angle for stability. Raise your glutes off the floor by pushing your hips upward. Raise your hips until your back, hips, and thighs are in a straight line. Hold the position for 5 seconds. Return to the starting position. Now get ready to follow along. We'll set the clock for 60 seconds. This exercise will make up for all the time you spend sitting in a chair doing computer work. It will help improve your posture and reduce the risk of back pain. How are you doing? Keep on going and breathe normally. Okay, almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 2, mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a killer exercise that'll really get your heart rate going. It's a powerful cardio exercise. The best part is that you don't really need to head to the gym to do it. In addition to burning fat on the belly, mountain climbers will help you build up your upper body strength. This exercise works a large range of muscles: deltoids, biceps, triceps, obliques, chest, hamstrings, and the main reason we're here, abdominals. Here's how to do it. Start in a plank position with your weight supported by your hands and feet. Bring your right knee into your chest. Now quickly switch your right knee with your left knee. Your right knee should now be extended and your left knee should be up to your chest. Make sure you follow the proper form. Your shoulders should be in line with your hands. Your back should be straight. Your core should be engaged. And here we go. We'll set the clock for 60 seconds. Continue to switch knees as quickly as you can. Your legs will be running while the top half of your body is still. Be sure to keep a straight line from back to toe and engage your core. How are you doing? Just keep going. Your muscles are probably burning up, but we're almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 1, burpee. By this time, after doing all the previous exercises, we think you can handle the burpee. The burpee is the ultimate full-body exercise. It will work your chest, arms, deltoids, hamstrings, and abs. It's so effective that it's used by elite athletes and members of the military. But don't panic, it's actually very simple. Here's what you need to do. Begin in a standing position. Squat down and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Quickly kick both feet back behind you so that you are now in a push-up position. Immediately return your feet to the squat position. Quickly jump up as high as you can from the squat position. These moves are meant to be done in quick succession. Since this exercise is designed to challenge, we'll set the clock for 30 seconds. Make sure that you keep on going and that you're performing this exercise in quick succession to get all the benefits. Do as many burpees as you can in the time that's left. How are you doing? Just keep going. Imagine that flat belly you've been dreaming of. We're almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bonus, sprint in place. For a stronger fat-burning exercise, you can try to sprint in place for 1 minute between all these exercises. With your elbows bent and in a running position, just sprint exactly where you are. Adding the sprint in place between the exercises we've shown you will turn this workout into a high-intensity training session, and it will help you burn a lot more fat. If you followed these exercises with us, good job! They will give you the magic combination of core strength, cardio, and strength training, which are all necessary to burn fat and have a fit body. If you followed the instructions in this video and do it every day for a month, you'll be rocking a flat stomach in no time. Did you follow along with us? What other exercises have helped you get a flat stomach? Tell us in the comment section. And don't forget to click subscribe to stay on the bright side of life.